Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce the L3 U73 Step-down Module. If there is no voltage in the voltage domain of L3 plus power chip, the L3 U73 Step-down Module can be used for replacement. Next, our technicians will show you how to install it.
First of all, before installing the L3 U73 Step-down Module, it is necessary to test whether there is any problem with the 3 MOS tubes and this inductor. Let's test these MOS tubes first. The number displayed on the multimeter shows that these MOS chips are not damaged. Then we test the inductor. It is no problem. Now we need to remove this step-down chip and resistor R24. Okay, we can install the step-down module. Our first step is to put the module on the hash board, and then connect the FB pin and SW pin to the inductor. Connect GND to both ends of capacitor C493. Connect the EN signal to the C pole of Q10. Then connect the HG signal to the G pole of the Q5 MOS tube, the LG signal to the G pole of the Q4 MOS tube, and connect the DOUT signal to the position of the resistor R24. Okay, we've installed the L3 U73 step-down module. Finally, we must remember to clean the excess flux from the hash board.
Our technician has demonstrated how to install the step-down module. Thank you for your trust and support.